To enable translations, you need to open the app.json file. And then you can enter the features setting, which you can find over here, which is an array, and then select translation file feature. Okay, let's save this file and let's close it. Next, you need to build your application. Select View Command Palette and then select the AL package or Ctrl-Shift-B. As you can see, it automatically generated a translations folder, and there is a .g.xlf file in it. If you open this file, you will see a normal XML file. In this XML file, you have the source language, which you can see over here, as well as a target language. Let's change that to Dutch. So let's change that to NLBE. Voila. Then you have a source node, and under this one you can create a target with your translation. So translation target, let's close the node, and the translation for car will be auto. Let's do one for the number as well. So target, and then the translation is nummer, and let's close the target node. And let's do one more for description, which will be omschrijving in Dutch. And let's close the node of the target. Okay. Now you can see a list of all the captions, labels, and tooltips in one large XLF file. Okay. Now, before you run the build command again, you first need to rename your files. Otherwise, your modifications will be lost. So let's change this into NL. Okay. Then when I click the View Command Palette and AL Package again, you will see that the .g.xlf file is regenerated. Now you can also specify a comment on a caption property, where you can explain the purpose of this caption. So for example, this is the table caption for the car table. And you can also specify the max length for a translation, which I will set to 15 for this one. Then, if you build again with View Command Palette AL Package, you will see that if you open the .g.xlf file, that for the car caption, the comments and the max length are visible within the XLF file.